Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to withdraw USDT from Valor to your bank account in 2025. If you're holding onto some Tether and want to cash it out, this step-by-step tutorial will make it straightforward and stress-free. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, so you can get your funds safely and quickly. First things first, before we jump in, make sure you have a verified Valor account. That means you've completed KYC, know your customer, verification, and you have USDT in your Valor wallet. Also, check that your bank account is linked or ready for fiat transfers, as this process involves converting crypto to cash. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Log into your Valor account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section and select USDT from your asset list. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw button next to USDT. You'll see options for different networks. Stick with the one that matches your deposit method, like Tron or Ethereum, to avoid extra fees. Step 3. Enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, so double-check those first. Step 4. Choose your withdrawal method. For bank transfers, select the fiat option and link your bank account if you haven't already. Valor might require you to confirm your bank's details for security. Step 5. Review everything carefully. Double-check the amount, address, and fees. Once you're good, hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this through email or two-factor authentication. Step 6. Wait for the transaction to process. Withdrawals can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days, depending on the network and your bank's processing time. A quick word of caution. Always withdraw to a trusted bank account and keep an eye on fees. They can eat into your profits. If you're in a region with regulations, ensure you're compliant to avoid any holds on your funds. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn your USDT from Valor. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.